Your transmission is the heart of your vehicle's movement. And when code P0994 pops up, it means that heartbeat is skipping a beat, specifically in the transmission fluid pressure sensor, F circuit. If your check engine light is staring back at you and your car is struggling to shift or feels like it is stuck in limp mode, you are dealing with a generic powertrain code that applies to most OBD2 equipped vehicles like Chevrolet, Acura, Honda, Jeep, and Toyota. The technical description for this is transmission fluid pressure sensor, switch F circuit low, essentially the sensor, which is usually attached to the side of the valve body inside your transmission or sometimes screwed into the case itself, is supposed to convert mechanical transmission pressure into an electrical signal for your powertrain control module, or PCM. This signal tells the computer how much pressure is in the transmission or when a shift is happening. The code triggers when the F input signal drops below the normal operating voltage stored in your computer's memory. This is primarily an electrical circuit issue, often involving a short to ground in the signal circuit, a failed sensor, or damaged wiring, though internal mechanical transmission issues can sometimes cause it too. Symptoms can range from the malfunction indicator light turning on to a noticeable change in shift quality, or the vehicle starting off in second or third gear because it has entered a protective limp mode. To fix this, you need to start by checking technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, as this could be a known manufacturer issue. Next, locate the sensor and inspect the connector and wiring for any scraping, bare wires, burned spots, or melted plastic. Pull the connector apart and look for corrosion, which often looks like a green tint on the terminals. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush if needed. If the code returns after clearing it, you will need to use a digital voltmeter. With the key off, disconnect the sensor. Connect the black lead to the ground terminal and the red lid to the signal terminal at the harness connector. Turn the key on, but keep the engine off. You should see 12 volts or 5 volts depending on your manufacturer's specifications. If the voltage is incorrect, you have a wiring issue or a bad PCM. If that passes, use an ohmmeter to check the sensor's resistance against the manual specs. If the resistance does not match, the sensor is likely dead. If you are unsure about probing live circuits, this is the time to visit a professional. But catching those corroded wires early can save you a massive repair bill.